Alright guys, this is the unboxing of the Sportline ICS M4A1. To start, the box is just brown and it has all of the M4 variants on the front along with the names of them and so forth. Got the ICS logo down here in the left hand corner, Sportline's on top, and that's pretty much it. This box has a little carrying handle right here. I thought that was pretty cool. But opening it up, this is the retractable stock version. So yeah, you open it up, this is what you're gonna see. It comes with the DVD for assembly and disassembly and maintaining your rifle and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. The manual looks pretty nice on the outside. On the inside, it has it's actually a manual for all their Sportline M4 series. So that's pretty cool. Next, comes with a PDW style magazine. If you don't know what a PDW is, that's for personal defense weapon. There's a lot of variations of it. This is modeled after the M4 variant PDW, so yeah. It feels kind of cheap, but it winds nicely. Hello?